Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic Aux port. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a small pick or flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of pliers. Make sure you have your new auxiliary port ready to go. For an added layer of safety, it is a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This simple step helps prevent accidental shorts. Now, let's get to the old auxiliary port. Begin by gently prying up the center console trim panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your interior. Work your way around the edges, releasing the clips that hold it in place. Once the panel is loose, carefully unplug any electrical connectors, like those for the power outlet. The auxiliary port module is typically found within this console area, often held by 2 or 3 small screws or pressure clips. With the old port exposed, it is time for the replacement. If the port is screwed in, remove the 1 or 2 small screws holding it. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old auxiliary port. Take your new auxiliary port module and connect it to the vehicle's electrical harness. Ensure the connection is firm and secure. Finally, place the new port into its housing and fasten it with the original screws, or snap it into place until it is fully seated. Almost done. Now, let's put everything back together. Reconnect any electrical connectors to the center console trim panel that you unplugged earlier. Carefully align the trim panel and press it firmly back into place, ensuring all 4 or 5 clips engage properly. If you disconnected your battery, reconnect the negative terminal. Finally, grab your favorite audio device and an auxiliary cable to test the new port. Enjoy clear audio once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.